Hello everyone, this is Mel Marquez with you. Today, I'm going to show you nail shaping in a close-up view. Almond shape. How to do an almond shape. Like we discussed before, all you have to do is find an imaginary line in between these edges. Okay? You can put a dot of a pencil in here at the free edge. Alright? You can do this middle of the nail. Okay? This is for the beginners. And then you have to file on one side. Okay, file on that side and on the other side. Again, it's like making an stiletto shape or ballerina shape. Okay, like a letter V. It's like you are drawing a letter V. Okay, so now this is your almond. Okay, this is almond nail. Yeah, you see it? Almond. You can make it a little bit slimmer on this edge if you want, and that is now they call almonito, right? But usually our clients wants this shape. Okay, this is your almond nail. Almond nail. Okay, almond.